And the gold has finally did it. The long-awaited breakout finally happened, and the gold reached 4,000 finally after long waiting. Now what will gonna happen next, guys? Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So now, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right now is actually a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which actually makes a channel, as we can see if we just simply clone the line like this. And if we squeeze the chart like that, as we can see, my friends, finally we can see here a channel that has been finally broken out from. Guys, before we continue, I have to inform you that the gold indeed has reached the uncharted water again. So therefore, we're actually now playing the odds. Will the gold continue the rise? In my opinion, most likely it seems like it, because the gold actually has made here a strong bullish breakout from 4,000 here exactly, without any reversals. That indicates a continuation in the rise and the possibility for the market to continue the rise. Not to mention, of course, the final price action of the 4-hour candle, which shows a longer tail and a short tail and longer wick at the top. That indicates actually a continuation in the rise. And as you can see, the market already started to make a pullback, reaching our next buying entry, because actually we are going to continue buying the gold. So again, as you can see right here, a channel has just been broken out from. So therefore, the gold actually has a chance to make a retest of this channel and retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line, and from that point continue the rise. Now, from that point, I believe we have to right now to move to the 30-minute time frame. Now, as you can see, my friends, what we have right here is actually a strong bullish movement, or actually a momentum. Now, what we need to find is the nearest structure to that bullish momentum, which can be seen right here exactly. What you can do next is simply draw your Fibonacci retracement right from this high to this low, just like that. Fantastic. As you can see, it actually pointing at Fibonacci 161.8. And that actually complies somehow with the broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see. Here is the resistance trend line, as you can see, and most likely the gold will continue the fall to reach this level, and from that point create a new support trend line and resume the rise. Therefore, let's now play the odds and continue buying the gold from this area, combining this, of course, with the fact that here we have also a support trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, which seems like it's gonna actually be respected again. Therefore, I suggest to continue buying the gold exactly at the price of 4,008.28. And if we do, we actually can consider not only 261.8, but actually somehow in the middle between 261.8 and 423.6, which means 4,050 is gonna actually be our eventual TP, which means we can actually aim around 430 pips profit with this signal. However, in this case, our stop loss is actually shouldn't be ranging lower than 3986, which was also a broken level of a resistance and a new support exactly at 3986, which means our safe zone is going to be around 210 pips against 420 pips of TP. Let me just now please write the signal for you. So a minor update, guys, because actually now, after considering the next take profit level, hopefully it's going to be, of course, achieved. Now, as you can see right here, we have this channel which we actually hit the support trend line which we have drawn here, and what you need to do to find the next take profit level is simply drag and drop the same line that you have dropped here and just simply place it right on the next level of a resistance trend line. So now we have here another channel, as you can see, has been formed, and that means we can actually expect the gold to reverse exactly at our buy entry, and then the gold will continue the rise to reach the same level of a resistance trend line to create, of course, a channel, or to complete that channel. That being said, I would actually consider even higher TP to be at 4,055, which means we can actually aim around 483 pips profit with this signal against 221 pips in our safe zone. Let me now please write this signal for you. And another reminder, my friends, that we absolutely promise no results at all, because again, guys, gold is getting very tricky right nowadays, getting very much challenging to analyze. So again, we are just really doing the best we can to figure its next direction. Now, after reaching 4,000, no one in the world know how the gold will continue moving. We are just simply doing the best we can to predict now the next movement. Xtreme Trader has always provided you with the best signals possible with the gold, but since actually the strong bullish breakout from 3,700 is getting very much challenging to figure out these next signals with the gold. So again, we're just really doing our best, and hopefully we will achieve it together. And in the end also, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here from on YouTube, and you can receive these updates from me personally. The channel name is again Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.